In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to switch your theme in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. When the login screen appears, enter your email address. If your browser suggests the address or you see a prompt to pick your account, go ahead and select it. Sometimes the login can take a moment, especially if you're using a password manager or a single sign-on option. If you see a loading spinner, give it a second to finish. There's no need to refresh unless it's clearly stuck. Once you're in, you'll land on your Patreon home feed. Focus on the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation lives. Find your profile area. This is typically your avatar or profile section in that sidebar. Click on the three dots, the small menu icon that opens additional options for your account. From that menu, choose Appearance. This is where Patreon lets you control how the site looks. You'll see three choices: light, dark, and system. If you haven't changed anything before, it's usually set to light by default. Light keeps the background bright and text dark, which many people prefer during daytime. To turn on dark mode, simply select dark. The change should apply immediately across the interface. Backgrounds will become darker, text will switch to lighter tones, and elements like buttons and sidebars will adjust to a low light friendly palette. This can reduce glare, ease eye strain in dim environments, and help conserve battery on some displays. For context, the system option will make Patreon follow your device's theme. If your computer or phone is set to dark mode, at the system level, choosing system will automatically keep Patreon dark. If your device switches back to light, Patreon will follow suit. It's a great set it and forget it option if you prefer your apps to match your device settings without manual toggling. If at any point you want to switch back, return to your profile's three-dot menu, open Appearance, and pick Light or System. Your selection is saved to your account experience in that browser. On other devices or browsers, you may want to set it once and it'll stay consistent there too. That's all you need to enable dark mode on Patreon. Quick, simple, and easy on the eyes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new calmer viewing experience.